First, thoroughly vacuum the upholstery before cleaning. In this video, we will use the very popular Kärcher Puzzi 10/1 carpet cleaner. Pour up to 10 liters of warm water, ideally around 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, into the tank. Then add about 100 grams of Karcher RM760 detergent per 10 liters of water and mix until dissolved. It is a universal detergent for cleaning upholstery and carpets that does not require a pre-spray or a separate rinsing agent. The product effectively cleans and rinses dirt from the fabric at the same time. Now, pour the prepared water with detergent into the clean water tank of the carpet cleaner. Remember not to exceed the maximum water level marked on the tank. Now, attach the dirty water tank to the carpet cleaner. Turn on the spray button to start applying the solution onto the upholstery. Spray the cleaning solution evenly onto the upholstery, taking care not to oversaturate the fabric. Gently work the cleaning solution into the upholstery using a brush or soft sponge to ensure even coverage. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the product to take effect. Now, turn on both the spray and vacuum buttons at the same time. This allows the cleaning solution to be applied to the upholstery and immediately extracted along with the dirt, ensuring effective and even cleaning. Move the suction nozzle both horizontally and vertically to allow the cleaning solution to penetrate the fabric evenly. At the same time, collect the dirty water. The nozzle is transparent, so you can see when the water becomes clean. When clean water starts coming through the nozzle, it means the upholstery has been thoroughly cleaned. Now, turn off the spray button and leave only the vacuum on to extract the remaining water from the upholstery. Now thoroughly vacuum the upholstery to extract as much water as possible. This is a very important step that speeds up drying and improves the final cleaning result. Now we will present a second, more professional upholstery cleaning method, using a pre-spray and a separate rinsing agent. Into the sprayer tank, we pour warm water and then add the pre-spray detergent according to the instructions on the product label. Pre-spray detergents come in different formulations and are selected depending on the type of fabric and the level of soiling. This allows both light and heavy dirt to be removed effectively. Shake the sprayer well to ensure the solution is evenly mixed. Just like in the previous method, apply the product evenly to the fabric. This time, use a sprayer to cover the upholstery thoroughly, making sure not to oversaturate the material. As before, gently work the product into the fabric with a brush, and then leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow it to work effectively. Now we prepare the rinsing agent by mixing it with water, according to the instructions on the product label. Pour the prepared solution into the clean water tank of the carpet cleaner. The principle of rinsing and water extraction is the same as before. Use the vacuum nozzle to apply the solution to the upholstery and thoroughly extract the dirty water until the material is clean. In professional settings, special air dryers are used to dry upholstery. At home, you can speed up drying by placing a fan near the upholstery or turning on the heating to ensure good air circulation. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can cause the fabric to fade. After finishing the cleaning, pour clean water into the chamber and extract it to flush the entire vacuum system. Finally, remove the dirty water tank and empty it into the drain. Enjoy your beautifully clean upholstery. The principle is the same with other carpet cleaners, such as Santo Emma. Regardless of the model, there is always a clean and dirty water tank, a vacuum nozzle with spray, and the ability to evenly apply the cleaning solution and extract water. This ensures that the entire upholstery cleaning process remains effective and straightforward, no matter which equipment you use. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you in the next episode.